Hexagonal crimping. Hexagonal crimping is the most popular type of crimping in Australia. Interchangeable dies are used for a specific size of conductor. This type of compression has been applied on aluminium cable, full tension sleeves and copper conductors with full satisfaction for many years. The size of the hexagonal compression dies is generally given as the distance across the flats of the hexagon. After compression, the connector takes the shape and dimensions of the compression die with well-formed corners. KBAC would like to thank you for your attention.